Hello everyone, this is Ram Karki, and today I'm here to discuss on a few topics of our discussion number two. I'm going to start off with DHS case. So this is a very interesting one that talks about a lot of the biases, racial profiling, and perceptions of the human nature. And I think it's very common for all of us. I mean, we have might have encountered these on our day-to-day basis, and it's very common out there, right? And there's a great example on this book where that discuss about a white man trying to take a picture of two young Asian girls. While doing that, he was questioned by the Department of Homeland Security. So those kind of quick judgment and racial profiling may bring a lot of misjudgment, and it may lead people to make a wrong assumption about people and how they are, right? So this is a very interesting one. So that is applicable on a wide range in our day-to-day basis in our job, right? I mean, so it can be applicable everywhere. If you meet a new person or like people belonging to a different culture, traditions, or those kind of things. So it's very common out there. um, so it was a very eye-opening one for me, mm, uh, among the all other books. On the second one, we have Osman book, which do talk about how the human reasoning operates through two distinct systems, system 1 and system 2. System 1 very fast, automatic, intuitive, and implicit, right? Whereas the system 2 slow, deliberate, analytical, and it takes a longer time. So I think system 1 and 2 are very common out there. Like some people who like to make decisions right away, try to you know respond really quickly, whereas the system 2, they take their time, analyze things around, and make their decisions. And both are very applicable to my day-to-day basis job, right? For example, whenever we need a quick fix on one of our chillers, we basically go the system 1, fast, automatic, and intuitive. We try to fix right away rather than launching a big project to fix it. Whereas if there is a major issues on the project, we like to go with the system 2, where we wanted to work as a where we want to work with the broader like a cross-functional team, and try to build a solid plan, try to analyze the data, and try to bring a good solution that works for the team and helps to resolve the problem. So I see that both system 1 and system 2 are very much applicable to us depending on the circumstances and the need of the project, for at least for me. And I would like to jump into our third topic, Penny Cook. So this is a very interesting one that was a response against the Melick and Bark, who said that the dual who said like the dual process theory has a flaw. So this book emphasizes about the model dual process theory and distinguish between defining the features and typical correlations. I haven't gone through each items of this book, but this sounds to be a very interesting one, and I'll cover more on the discussion number three. The other one is Rachel. So this is a very interesting one. While I was going through the book, it talks a lot about the discovery and function of the human brain, right? And it does also talk about the default mode networking. So it uh, like generally it talks about how the brain regions decreases their activity when we're focused on one specific targeted goal, versus how it remains active while uh, we're not focused on something specific, right? So there were some details revealed on that one. The key insight was 20% of the human brain consumes the energy, even though it's just 2% of the human weight. And like so it also tells that the brain is constantly maintaining and updating its neural networks while we're not focused on anything specific, and that's the yeah, that's very common on human beings and as well as on various mammals. The last topic I want to cover today was the Sutherland, a, a book called Sutherland that explains how the complete rationale may be neither achievable or nor it's desirable. It talks a lot about availability errors, cognitive biases, social and emotional factors, and evolutionary limitations of the human being. And I will be discussing more about these topics on the upcoming